welcome to Anglesey Family Chiropractic. I'm in the Coeur d'Alene branch today. We're going to be showing you a little bit about my adjustment technique. I'm a full body chiropractor, so you're going to see me adjust the spine and a few of the extremities as well. Let's see, this is my daughter, Riley, my beautiful daughter, and she has so willingly volunteered for this job today. We're going to start with her face down. Go ahead and do that for me. All right. So typically, of course, she would already have done a full examination, consultation, and we've already figured out what she needs. And then we will always check the spine over really well, wiggling, little pressure. We're going to find out what segments of the spine are moving and which ones are not, which ones are maybe not quite in the right spot, and rotate it. You feel that one move just easy like that. Okay. So take a breath in and out. Good. Nice. All right. Good. And we're going to get this middle section here. This one's a little tough sometimes. Take a breath in. That already moved. And out. Good. All right. Nice. Okay. And we're going to check the neck. Now, a lot of chiropractors will adjust the neck in a few different ways, or maybe just one. I like to do it in a couple different ways. I will adjust it face down, and then when I flip you over, we'll check it again just to make sure we got everything. If we did not, we can adjust it face up, which is more common. But a lot of people who are a little fearful of the neck, they actually like this technique a little bit better, just because maybe there's not as much twisting or anything, but we're going to take it over this a little bit. Okay, a little bit right there. Good, relax. Good. And we're going to come over here. Just let it come over. Good, just like that. Good. I don't know if you're hearing all that popping, but she's moving quite easily. It's nice. How are you feeling? All right, thumbs up. Good. Okay. Now there's a few different ways. Again, there's multiple techniques to use. I'm just going to show you the basic ones that I do use. I will bring out different tools as we need them. These are the tools, but different techniques as we need them for each individual condition and patient. All right. So her left leg's a little bit shorter than her right. We always check that. We're going to get you on your side. I'm going to have you face me this way. Just like that. Right there. We're going to bring this knee up. Straighten this one out for me. Good. Okay. Down. And I will have her hold her hands together right there. Good. Good. And just let this come forward a little bit, okay? Right there. Good. Now you probably heard that one. That was quite a bit of movement there. You're doing good. Okay, flip towards me. Same thing. And up right here. Good. Good. Just let this come forward. We're going to bring this knee up a little bit on this side. Good job. Okay. Flat on your back. Good. And now, so if those didn't go very well in the thoracic spine, we can do another move here where I put my hand underneath you, and there's usually a lot of crunching there, but she moved really well. We don't have to do that today. Now we're going to look at some of the extremities. Feet. Making sure everything is moving. Motion is life. I'm sure you've heard that before. But if it's not moving, you lose muscle, you lose stability, and then you get problems in that joint. We're going to take this and just take a pull. Nice. I think your hip moved on that one too. Let that come over here. Good. And some people like it, some people don't. So you can always tell me if the toes are in or not. Oh, we're going to get yours. Nice. Good. Nice. Very good. Okay. And the knees are important. We're just going to do a simple one today. I'm going to take this up. And up. Good. All right. We're going to check her hands and wrists. Doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. And again, with a history and consultation, we'll know if you've injured all these areas before and if they need extra help. Good. Little popping everywhere. Loosen that joint there. Good. All right. So if you don't know already, we have this office here in Coeur d'Alene, and we have an office in Spokane Valley. Been doing this for about 10 years. A little pop there, relax. And it has been a fun ride so far. Okay, we're gonna check the neck one more time. So those feel good, so we really don't have to take, this is the one you normally see where we take it over and we'll get these. Today, we're not going to get hers. They look just fine. Okay. But we will do a little bit of, so let your chin go forward. Nice. Let her go. Good. Good. And we're just checking the gliding of the occiput there. So far so good. I'm gonna have you come up and turn that way. Okay, so let's see. We also check beforehand posture and range of motion, and then we can compare it afterwards as well. So, one thing that most people come in with are really tight traps. And we'll use this, it's Pure Wave. We'll put this on here and get these to relax. Pretty tight up here. She's a student, of course, so these are the studying muscles, or stress muscles. Lots of stress can make these tighten up here. Makes you twitch a little bit, huh? Mm-hmm. Sometimes it makes your nose itch too. Good times. Okay, so we're going to end with, and sometimes we can do TMJ if it's a problem. I only adjust the TMJ if there is pain involved and we need to get rid of that. But we'll do some checks first for that and then get that done. Let's take this. I'm going to bring this elbow up, in and back. Good, just a little movement there. Right here, back. One more. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, that is it. Now that's just, again, the basics. So usually there are a lot of different techniques involved, but there you have it. You get a little view of what we do here. Full body chiropractic, it's awesome. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll answer them for you. And have a good day.